Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are talking about a future planning. Yes, many people think I will start when everything is perfect. But the truth is, the perfect time never comes in our life. So, you don't need a perfect plan to start your future. You only need one small simple step. Small action looks simple, but they create big result with the time. Okay? Um, for example, if you improve your English, don't think I will become better in 1 month. Just start. Speak for 5 minutes every day. Learn new words for every day. Write 3 sentences for every day. Okay? Um, of Another important topic, yes, consistency. Consistency is more powerful than speed. Some people learn fast, some people learn slowly, but the person who practice every day always moves forward. Okay? Sometimes you may feel sometimes you may feel scared about the future. What if you may think, what if I fail? But the failure is not the end. The failure is a lesson. Failure is a lesson. It teaches you what to improve and how to become better. Okay? Future is like an open road. You will not see the full road and clearly, but the still you can take the next step. Okay? So, another important point is don't compare your journey with others, because everyone has a different place, different backgrounds and different struggles. When you compare yourself with others, you lost confidence. Okay, so focus on your own path. Okay, like so stop wasting for that perfect time. Just start. Your goal should your goal not should be a big result, big success. Your goal should be meaningful growth and better. Become better than yesterday. Okay, like improve your confidence, improve your mindset, improve your vocabulary, many and all things. Okay, so stop wasting your time. Focus on your goal. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep moving forward. I hope this video helpful for your English tips. Okay, like, subscribe for my channel. Bye.